Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque countered the circulating accusations that he is the legal counsel of the raided Philippine offshore gaming operator Lucky South 99. Los Perez reports.
Former spokesperson Harry Roque denied allegations that he served as legal counsel for the raided Philippine offshore gaming operator Lucky South 99 in Pampanga. In a statement, Roque confirmed that he requested a change in the date of debt payment for his client Whirlwind Corporation, which reportedly provided services to Lucky South 99. He further clarified that Whirlwind Corporation had previously obtained a license from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR. Meanwhile, Roque criticized Senator Risa Hontiveros for accusing him of lying to the media, stating that he was never a lawyer for Lucky South 99.
Naman po maging ebidensya ang organizational chart na yan sa aking pagiging legal counsel sa Lucky Star, dapat nyo naman pakita na number one, na ako'y may kinalaman doon sa pagsumite ng organizational chart na yan. O di naman kaya, ako'y pumayag na ilagay ang pangalan ko dyan. Gaya ng sinabi ko po sa media, hindi ko po alam kung bakit nandyan ang pangalan ko. Dahil wala po akong kahit anong kinalaman sa pagsusumite ng mga dokumentong yan, dahil sa mulat-mula po, sinasabi ko naman, hindi ako ang abogado ng Lucky South pagdating sa kanyang mga lisensya. At never ako naging abogado ng Lucky.
Roque clarified that he did not consent or advise for his name to be included in any submission to PAGCOR regarding the license renewal of Lucky South. He emphasized that there is no evidence providing his direct involvement in preparing such documents. He also emphasized that as an officer of the court, if indeed it were his job, he had no reason to hide his role as counsel for the said POGO.
Po, bilang isang ahente ng hukuman, naniminsan po, hindi ko naging kliyente nga itong Lucky South, at kung naging kliyente ko po yan, bakit ko itatanggi? Wala naman pong responsibilidad ng isang abogado kung wala naman pong maling ginawa ang isang abogado kung hindi ang trabaho lang niya bilang isang abogado.
This is Flos Perez for EuroTV News.